Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SCC. In continuation of UV spectroscopy, this is video lecture 6 for lambda max calculation of Dienes systems. Lambda max calculation for Dienes system is given by Woodward and Fisher. Woodward mentioned in 1941 and further work by Fisher in 1959. They had given some values for system and then the increment values and orthogonal values. On the basis of these values, they had calculated lambda max value for the compound. This value is theoretical value or empirical calculation of lambda max. According to them, these values for acyclic or open chain conjugated time is 217 nanometers. These values for heteroannular Dienes is 214 nanometers. For these values for homoannular Dienes is 253 nanometers. Then increment for extending conjugated double bond, conjugated double bond plus 30 nanometer, exocyclic double bond plus 5 nanometer, ring residue and residue, ring residue or residue plus 5 nanometer. Oxochrome. For oxochrome, OSI plus 0, ORK plus 6, then SRK plus 13 nanometer, halogen fluorobromo plus 5 nanometer, NRK plus 60 nanometer. And if a bicyclic system, bicyclic ring strain correction plus 15 nanometer. So these are the values. On the basis of these values, we will calculate lambda max value. Let's see examples. Example 1. Suppose this is the system. It is a conjugated Dienes system, double bond, single bond, double bond, right? It is open chain or acyclic system. So these values for acyclic conjugated Dienes. It is 270 nanometers. Right? Here, two alkyl groups are there, 1 and 2. So, two alkyl groups, two. So, 2 multiplied with 5, 10 nanometer. Lambda max value. Calculated lambda max value will be 227 nanometer. We have to not remember the observed value or practical value of lambda max. It is given in your either numerical or in literature. Second example. Suppose this type of system is there. A and B. Here, two double bonds are in conjugation, double bond, single bond, double bond, right? But both the double bonds are in different rings. So, B's value for heteroangular Dienes system, it is 240 nanometers. Next thing is ring recipe. 1, 2, 3, or we call it this and this way. You can mark in this way, right? So here, 3 ring recipe. Ring recipe. 15 multiplied with 5, 15 nanometers. One more thing here is exocyclic. So, this double bond is endocyclic, this double bond is exocyclic. So, this double bond of ring B is exocyclic for ring A. Exocyclic double bond. Plus 5 nanometers. So total will be 14, 234 nanometers. Lambda max calculated. Example 3. In example 3, let's see this example. Right? Double bond, single bond, double bond. So it is again heteroannular system. So these values for heteroannular die. It is 240 nanometers. Second thing, ring residue. Ring residue here. This one, this one, this one. So total 4 ring residue. 4 multiplied 5, 20 nanometers. One more thing, exocyclic double bond. This double bond between A and B, exocyclic. So this double bond is exocyclic for A and also for B. Exocyclic double bond. Two multiplied 5, 10 nanometers. Lambda max communicated would be 244 nanometers.